wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So yeah, Moshi,
Yes, sir.
are you understanding everything?
Yes, sir. কয়েকটা ভালোভাবে ভুল হয়েছে স্যার, একটাও ঠিক হয় নাই এমন আছে।
No problem, no problem. Now you are writing all the notes, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is the answer of 4?
Sir, 4 or 3,
Yeah,
sir. 3.
3. We
Sir, which দুইটা পয়েন্ট না, নিউক্লিয়াস
three,
absorbing
yeah,
neutron,
3,
itochurin breaks into
yeah,
lighter element.
3 we are done. Now 4.
Okay, sir. State one difference between nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. স্যার দাঁড়ান, এটা কয়েকদিন আগে এই যে লাস্ট ক্লাসই তো করছিলাম। দাঁড়ান স্যার, লেখা আছে মনে হয়, দেখে আসি। So it split nuclear fission. It splits 2 or more particles.
One element is splitting into 2 or more, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2 or more elements. You don't say particles. Particle is alpha.
Elements. Sorry,
yeah,
sir.
No problem. This way we also did mistake, but we should be careful. They are not particles. These are elements, right?
Yes, sir.
So one element is splitting into 2 or more elements, right? In nuclear fission.
Yes, sir.
And in fusion, 2 or more elements join together to form a single nucleus, right?
Yes, sir.
Single element. So you got the difference, right, between the nuclear fusion and fission?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Diva, you got it? The difference between nuclear fusion and fission. And you can also bring other ideas, like in the nuclear fusion is happening in stars and nuclear fission is happening in power stations. That one is another difference. Is it clear? So this one is much more easier, right? The second one I told.
Sir, fission in power station, right?
Yes, nuclear
fission
in power stations and nuclear fusion in stars. Yes. Yeah, continue 5. Moshi, are you done?
Yes, sir. Writing done.
Continue 5.
The nucleus of uranium is not stable. It decays by the emission of alpha particle into a nucleus of thorium. Complete the nuclear equation that represents this decay. U arrow 3. আচ্ছা স্যার, এটা কি মানে কাইন্ড অফ ব্যালেন্স করতে হবে?
Yes, kind of balancing the number of nucleons and number of protons. You have to balance. Mass number and atomic number you have to balance.
Okay, sir.
For A, it is for 2, right?
Mhm. For
For
the,
A,
yeah,
alpha.
for alpha, it is 2, 4, right? The blank space, it
Um,
will be 4.
yes.
For alpha, the blank space, it should be 4. So if here we are having 4, then 235 minus 4, it is 231.
231.
231. So beside thorium, are you writing, Moshi?
Yes, sir.
You
Writing.
write the equation and you write here in thorium mass number 231 and the atomic number should be
231.
how much? 2 is gone here,
9.
right? 2 is gone here with alpha. 2 protons are gone there.
স্যার
Then
একবার
we
একটু
have,
ফার্স্ট থেকে রিপিট করবেন ইন থোরিয়াম দ্য ম্যাস নাম্বার পর্যন্ত
yeah, mass number should be, look here. First we are doing this one. We know about alpha, right?
আলফা ইয়াস
So what is the mass number of alpha?
2
4.
আচ্ছা 4
Because alpha has 2 neutrons and 2 protons, right? That's why alpha will be mass number 4. Then you see the mass number of uranium, it is 235. And then you are having here in alpha 4. So how much will be for thorium? 231. For alpha,
স্যার
proton number is 2. So for thorium, how many proton numbers?
yes
90.
sir
90.
90, right? You have here for alpha, proton numbers 2. And for uranium, 92. So for thorium, it should be 90. So the
ভাই
equation is
কিছুক্ষণ
balanced,
পর
right?
আসতেছি
So the equation is balanced, right?
Yes, sir.
In this way, sometimes we are getting questions. Now we are going to next one, next part here. Yeah, Yakin, you continue.
Geiger and Marsden carry out an experiment to investigate the scattering of alpha particles. Shows a diagram of the apparatus they used.
Figure 2.1 shows, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
When an alpha particle strikes the fluorescent screen, a flash of light is emitted with a mark with the letter P, where the most
On
flashes
figure
occur
2.1.
uh,
On
on
figure
figure
2.1.
on figure 2.1, mark with the letter P, where most flashes occur on the screen.
Okay. So where all the or most of the flashes occur, what does it mean? It means that where you will get most of the alpha particles going, right? You see, they are saying alpha particle strikes the fluorescent screen, a flash of light is emitted. So if you are getting here most flashes, that means there you are getting most alpha particles, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So in this experiment, alpha particle scattering experiment, how we got most of the alpha particles going? They are going straight, right? Undeflected, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Can you remember that in alpha particle scattering, the first observation was most of the alpha particles, they are going undeflected. That means they are going straight because the atom is mostly empty space. isn't it? So where you will get the point P, or where you have to write the letter P. The alpha particles are going this way, right? So where you will write P?
Straight on the fluorescent screen.
Yes, very good. So you will label P here. Okay, straight this position. So are you doing it, everyone? You just draw one circle, then only draw this source. Hmm. Then you show P here. That's it. Is it clear, everyone, what I explained?
Yes, sir.
Then part 2, continue part 2.
Describe what is seen on the other part of the screen.
Yeah. So you are seeing here most splashes, right? Here you are seeing
Yes,
most
sir.
splashes. So what we will see in other parts, you have here part of screen. The upper side also you have part of screen. So what will happen there?
Will it also glow up?
A few random alpha particles.
Yeah, so it will also glowing, but the way it was glowing in P, is it like that?
No.
So how can we write that? There will get
Small glow ups are seen.
yes, small, or you can say fewer flashes, right? Very few
Yes, sir.
flashes. So this way we'll write, okay? Now the third,
State 2 conclusions about atoms of gold that resulted from this experiment.
yeah. So already we got the observation, right? Here we got
Yes, sir.
most flashes, and here we got fewer flashes. So from here, what we can decide?
Sir, can you help us with it?
Yeah, the first one you got for you had three observations in alpha particle scattering. Can you remember? The first one was the most of the alpha particles going
Smaller
undeflected.
nuclei.
Then second observation was the alpha particles which are close to the nucleus, they are deflected, right? And those angles they are saying around 90 degree. Okay. And those who are going straight to the nucleus, those are bending more than 90 degrees. Right? Three observations you got, isn't it? So from those three observations, the first observation you got, which one is showing most of the alpha particles going undeflected, that one is showing you most flashes. We can say the atom is mostly empty space. Is it clear? The first observation is giving us
Can you
the,
repeat it?
yeah, the atom is mostly empty space. Then
Here,
second
can
one is,
write it because it's coming cut. I can't hear you
okay,
properly.
okay, I'm writing, no problem. I'm writing.
জিবা তোর ওয়াইফাই প্রবলেম হচ্ছে আজকে
হ্যাঁ
So this is the first point or first conclusions we can say. The second one is here first understand what the second one is showing you. Here we are getting fewer flashes, right? Fewer flashes you are getting because some of the alpha particles, they are deflected as they are going closer to the nucleus. So why they are deflecting from there or why they are deviating from there? Because alpha particles are positively charged and nucleus is also containing protons, they are also positively charged, so they are repelling, right? Isn't it? They are repelling each other, so we can say alpha particle is repelling. That's why we can get the conclusion that the nucleus is positively charged. The second finding is nucleus is positively charged. Nucleus is positively charged. Okay, the second finding. And third finding, they did not mention that one, but the third finding is the nucleus is the heaviest part of the atom. Okay, that one is the last finding.
এটা স্যার কোন
Alpha particle is scattering.
এটা স্যার কোন এক্সপেরিমেন্ট?
Alpha particle is scattering. Geiger Marsden alpha particle scattering.
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ বুঝছি।
Geiger and Marsden are two students of Rutherford. Actually, this is
আরেকটাও আছে না স্যার, এই যে এটার মধ্যে স্টেট টু কনক্লুশনস, যে নিউক্লিয়াই আর মাচ স্মলার দ্যান অ্যাটমস।
Yeah, that one is the last one. Nucleus is staying in a very small space and it is the most heaviest part of the atom. That one. These 2 points are together for the last point. Two things are together. Okay? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Adnan Rahim was coming to join with you from class 9. Do you know Adnan Rahim? The player one.
Yeah.
Who defeated you in the final?
আর একটু ভালো পাবেন না স্যার, বললে চলতো।
So, how many goals he gave you?
আমি জানি না, আমি থাকা অবস্থায় 1 গোল নাকি 2 গোল হয়েছিল, আমি চলে যাওয়ার পর 5 গোল খাইছিল, এটা মনে
So
আছে।
he
না
was
না
to
না না, তুই থাকা অবস্থায় 2 গোল ছিল, তুই চলে যাওয়ার পর
হ্যাঁ,
3টা খাইছে।
হ্যাঁ
ভাই খাবেই তো, খুব সিম্পল।
okay.
সবাই দেখেন, যদি ডিফেন্ডার গিয়ে এখন আপনার স্ট্রাইকটা ছাড়াই খেলে, এই গোল খাবে না কেন আমারে বুঝান?
Failure is the
এই গোল
pillar of
খাওয়া তো
success,
ফরজ।
no problem.
সব মসির দোষ,
ভাই
এই বদদুয়া
আমার
দিছে।
আমার আমার খুব ভালো লাগতেছে, কারণ ফর দ্য ফার্স্ট টাইম মাহাদির ভাব অনেক কমে গেছিল এই ম্যাচটা হারার পর। 2 বছর
এটা
ধরে
আমারও
ফাইনাল
শান্তি
জিততেছিল
লাগছিল।
না,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
আমার অনেক ভালো লাগছে যে মাহাদির ভাব অনেক বাড়ছিল, একদম কমে গেছে।
ম্যাচের
Okay,
আগে তো কেমন কাইন্ড
now
ঠাকামি
we will
করতেছিল।
continue 3. Adnan, it's your turn.
হ্যাঁ, কি আমার টার্ন স্যার? মসি পড়াশোনা করে না।
Moshi is
নাম্বার 1 থেকে এতক্ষণ কে করছে?
Moshi did his part. Now you continue, Adnan.
কয়েকটা করছি, কয়টা ভুল হইছে?
Question
Okay, 3A.
2 is see, yeah.
2 neutral 3 তো বলতেছি।
Continue.
3A, 2 neutral atoms are atoms of different isotopes of the same element. State one similarity in the structure of these two atoms.
Just a minute, huh? Hold on, everyone.
Same proton. কি হয়েছে?
তোর কি ট্রেন ছুটছে?
স্যার কি বললো?
1 মিনিট দিতে বলছে।
ও আচ্ছা।
Yes, please continue, please. I was in a call. That's why. Direct call. Okay, continue, please, Adnan.
One difference between the structure of these atoms. First একটা proton তার আচ্ছা না yes structure বলছে structure হইলে আমি জানি না আইডি কে
Okay,
Electron number.
so look, they are saying two information here. One is
এমনি নরমালি যদি হয় একটা প্রোটন একটা নিউট্রন এটা জানি কিন্তু
look,
স্ট্রাকচার হইলে জানি
very
না
very simple to understand from the description. You see, two neutral atoms. This is one information given. The second information is given of different isotopes of the same element. If it is isotope of same element, that means your proton number should be same. Okay, and you have also electron number same if it is neutral atoms. Is it clear? So
Yes.
so if you have uh, two similarities, you can write any one of them here. One similarity in the structure of these two atoms, you can write number of protons are same, or you can write number of electrons are also same. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Okay, then one difference between the structures of these two
দাঁড়ান
atoms.
স্যার লিখি, স্যার একটু লিখতে দেন।
Can I give you one example of this, like simple example you will understand easily? Like we have C6 12 and we have C6 14. So these two, we have same number of protons but different number of neutrons and different number of nucleons. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So the difference you can write, either you can write number of nucleons are different or you can write number of neutrons are different. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I am giving you some work. Please, I'm giving you 3 minutes. Okay, try this part B. Already we discussed this one, and now you try part B, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 1 and 2 you do. I'm giving you 3 minutes for doing it. Huh? Do it, everyone.
স্যার B1 এর সময় আমি একটু অন্য জায়গায় গেছিলাম মানে এরকম যেটা করাইছিলেন আমি বললাম একটু আসতেছি আমি
কখন বলছিলি রে? আমি তো শুনি নাই।
আমি তো বলেই গেলাম
না, বলছে।
ক্লাস কয়টা পর্যন্ত
10:25.
এখনো
আল্লাহ
20
দেরি
মিনিটস এর
আছে
মতো আছে।
হ্যাঁ না 15 আচ্ছা যাই হোক এরপর বাংলা তাই না
হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ,
বাংলায় না পেপার 1 করালে আমি ঘুমায় পড়বো।
পেপার 1 করাবে আজকে। আজকে মনে হয় ওই যে বলবে যে কিভাবে লিখতে হবে।
আজকে ক্লাসে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দিয়ে ভাবতেছি বের হয়ে যেতে পারি আল্লাহই জানে আচ্ছা করব ঘুম আসতেছে আজকে অনেক বেশি
ভাই আজকে গরমও পড়ছে অনেক।
আমার কেন যেন আজকে বেশি ঘুম আসতেছে
আসতেই পারে, ঘুম এমন একটা জিনিস ভাই, না আসার টাইমেও আসে।
স্যার এখন চুপচাপ হয়ে গেছে। আচ্ছা,
আগের মনে হয় ফোন আসছে।
রেকর্ডিংটা বন্ধ করেছে তো।
স্যার আমার হোস্ট বানাই দিয়ে যাইতো, গেলই যখন।
ক্লাস
ইয়াকিনকে
কিন্তু রেকর্ডিং এ।
হ্যাঁ, ইয়াকিন ভাইয়া
তো কি
কেমন আছে?
হয়েছে?
আমি তো
সেই
বললাম যে স্যার আমাকে হোস্ট বানাই দিয়ে গেলে ভালো হইতো।
অ্যানোটেট করে কিছু আইকা দিই এখানে মুশিদটা।
হ্যাঁ, আমি তো হ্যালো লিখছিলাম একবার।
ড্রয়িং করা যায় না?
হ্যাঁ, যাবে না কেন?
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে
রিপ্লাই
যাও।
দে। তো কষ্ট করে লিখলাম, কোনো রিপ্লাই দেয় না কেউ।
হায় রে। মসি থামতে পারোস?
ইয়েস। ওইটা দেশবাসী তো, দেশবাসিত না।
ফার্স্টে ভাবছিলাম স্প্যানিশটা লিখবো, তারপর ভাবলাম আচ্ছা
Okay,
না বাংলাটা
okay,
লিখি।
now you got it, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please tell me the answer, Adnan, the first one.
আমি তো স্যার এটার অ্যান্সার আপনার থেকে চাইলাম, আমি তখন ছিলাম না এখানে,
Okay, you did not
চলে
share with
গেলাম।
your friends. That one,
কোনটা?
this one, you did not share with them.
মানে
Share means you did not discuss this much with your
No.
friends. So what you are discussing? Other things you are discussing. Okay, fine. Yakin, can you tell me the answers? This.
the alpha particle is 4 and 2.
So write it,
And
Adnan, please write it, huh? 4, 2. Here is 4.
But why?
S number is 4 and proton number is 2 because we know alpha particles, they have 2 protons and 2 neutrons. That's why.
Yeah.
Is it clear now?
Yep.
Okay. Then here you can now do it. Yakin, can you tell me here?
235 and 92.
235 and 92. Now you understand how it is 235? No?
235 কেন এটা বুঝিনি।
স্যার স্যার স্যার
Because
স্যার 235 নাকি 236?
সেটাই তো।
235 because alpha its mass is 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you have your 239 plutonium. So 239 minus 4, it is 235.
And 94 minus 2 equals 92. Okay, বুঝছি।
Now it's clear. You can do
Yes
the
sir, class
similar
শেষ করে
things.
দেন স্যার।
We have 10:30 till 10:30. We have class.
না স্যার 25 5 মিনিট বাড়াই গেল কেমনে স্যার?
Okay.
অনেক বেশি ঘুম আসতেছে, পিঠও ব্যথা
Now
করতেছে।
part two. Part two. What is the answer of part two? Can you tell me, Adnan? This one you can do. Half-life. Adnan. This one you can do, right? Half-life.
করতে হবে।
Yeah, half-life is given 2.4 into 10 to the power 4 years. So from this information,
ক্যালকুলেটর কই?
you can do it, right? Calculate the count rate after period of 1.2 into 10 to the power 5 years. So 2.4 into 10 to the power 5, it was the half-life. 10 to the power 4, it is the half-life, right? 2.4 into 10 to the power 4. And then you convert it. Look, this one is power how much? 10 to the power 5. You also make it, I'm making it easier for you so that you can do it easily. 12 into 10 to the power 5. Can you write it? 12 into 10 to the power 5. 12 into 10 to the power 4. You can write it.
স্যার 5 or 4?
Yeah, 1.2 into 10 to the power 5. You can write as 12 into 10 to the power 4.
Okay sir, 10 to the power 4.
Sir, we'll divide the years, right?
Yeah.
Then we get 5.
So 12 divided by 2.4, if you do it, then it's coming. How many half-life are
Five.
there? How many
5
half-lives?
half-life.
It's easy, right? Yeah, 5 half-lives. So you are having the count rates at the beginning is 6400 counts. So after 5 half-life, how it's coming? Can you write here 6400? Then after that, what will come?
Yes, sir.
5 half-life, 6400 here.
200.
200.
Yeah, let's write it. Huh? All of you, please write. First half-life is
Sir,
3200.
can't we just write
Then
6400 divided by 2 to the power 5?
you can do, no problem. You can do, but I'm making it easier for you. Like some of the questions, if you are just writing this way, the power, you do not need to write the power in your calculator, right? It's coming easier. You are just dividing 12 divided by 2.4. That's it. If you are writing in power, then you have to write everything. That's why I follow this technique. So 800, then 400, then 200, right? So half-lives, you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So count rate will be 200. 200 per second, counts per second. The unit you also write, huh? 200 counts per second. Is it clear, everyone?
Chuti.
Done, everyone?
Chuti. Yes, sir.
Yes sir, শেষ
So
Yes,
you
sir.
understood it.
Yes,
Did
Yes,
you
sir.
understand? You have any queries? If
No,
you
sir.
don't have, then chuti, no problem.
থ্যাংক ইউ
Bye-bye.
স্যার, আসি স্যার, আসসালামু
Okay,
আলাইকুম।
okay. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum salam.